Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Monday. Happy July 5th. Hope everybody had an awesome July 4th yesterday. Hope you enjoyed the weather and the fireworks and your family. And we're going to wait for me to get live here because sometimes it takes a few minutes for me to for it to click and for people to see me on. Hope you had a great day yesterday. The weather pretty much held out. We had a little bit of rain here for a few minutes during the parade that started at noon. Great job to everybody here in Ellenville. The parade was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. We gave out free popcorn and free cotton candy to kids yesterday. So I put the popcorn and cotton candy machine out front and kids were walking up. They were trying to pay me and I said, nope, it's on me. And they had a really good time watching the parade. It's really nice, you know, interestingly enough, I've been probably watching the July 4th parade since I was a little kid. I don't know what year it is. If anybody on here knows what number parade, July 4th parade this was, please drop a comment. I'd love to know. It's a lot. I have been literally watching the parade since I was probably 5-6 years old, maybe even earlier than that. Not 100% sure. But you know, it's nice. We have a group of people. My mom has a group of friends. They all come. Now all of their kids and their kids come. So it's really cool. There was a picture of me on Facebook that somebody posted of me. I probably was maybe 10, 12 years old, holding some of the little kids, some of my mom's friends' kids. And then yesterday, it was nice because I got to see a lot of our friends and their kids that I only see a couple times a year. And it was really, really nice to enjoy the parade, sit in front of my restaurant. Who would have thought 36 years ago when that picture was taken? So yeah, I was 10 in this picture, that we'd be sitting in front of my restaurant watching the parade. So here in Ellenville, small little Ellenville. But great job to the parade committee. If you are interested in helping out with the parade or the July 4th committee, I know that they are looking for people to help out with the on the committee. You know, over the years, people, you know, they lose people or there's not as much interest in helping. So if you would like to help with the July 4th committee, I know that they are looking for people. So, you know, thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello, Gina. Hello, Candace. Hello, Calvin, Matthew. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. And hope everybody had an awesome July 4th yesterday. I know we did. We closed a little bit early. My staff got to go out and watch the fireworks and enjoy being with their families a little bit. And all right, let's see. Our $9.99 takeout special this week is Mongolian barbecue chicken. I think Marcus is serving it with rice and broccoli. I'm not 100% sure, but that is our $9.99 special for the week. We are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We're actually heading up to Jamestown to see Justin play baseball Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be back on Thursday. We have jazz Thursday night as long as the weather is permissible. We will have it in our back garden at 6:30. I recommend reservations for that. Tonight we have our champagne, Method Champenois dinner, New York style champagnes. In our garden, we are actually sold out for that. So that is awesome. We are sold out. I recommend making reservations. We are limited staff tonight. I had somebody call out, so please bear with us and be patient if you are coming in tonight. And that's it. So I'm gonna make a mango daiquiri today. I like daiquiris. We actually have a frozen daiquiri in our slushy machine. It's an organic frozen daiquiri. And I'm also using this rum 44 in that. You can flavor that daiquiri however you'd like. We have lots of cool liqueurs that we can add to it. I'm gonna add ice in my glass. I'm not making a frozen daiquiri right now. I am actually going to make a mango on the rocks daiquiri. But we do have frozen ones if you are interested. So 2 ounces of rum, about a ½ an ounce of agave, and I gotta shake up my lime juice, my fresh squeezed lime juice, about an ounce of lime juice, and let me get my mango juice in there. I'm gonna pour this out, sure. Oh yeah, look at that. About 2 ounces of mango juice, and wrong lid. There we go. And shake it on up. You can make this frozen. Put it into in a blender with some ice and it'll make it frozen. All right. And there we have it. A mango daiquiri. Look at that. I'm gonna add a little lime on top. And I'm going, ooh, yum, yum. That looks delicious. I'm gonna add some ice. And there you have it. There is my mango daiquiri. Awesome. Let's give it a taste. Marcus just got back from a bike ride. Ooh, yum. Nice and refreshing. You know, I haven't done much with mango. I forget. I really like mango a lot. That's delicious. Oh, so happy July 5th to everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Do you want to taste this, honey?
I'll take a picture and then taste it.
You taking a picture of me? He's taking a picture for our social media. Can you get it?
Got it.
And thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. And hope everybody has an awesome day. Remember, our $9.99 special tonight is barbecue, Mongolian barbecue chicken. Are we serving it with rice and broccoli?
Rice and broccoli.
Rice and broccoli to go. Our full menu is available to go. And that's it. Cheers to everybody. Hope you have an awesome, amazing day. I will not be on Tuesday or Wednesday, but I'm sure Marcus and I will be doing some lives while we are up in Jamestown. And I will be back on Thursday. Have an awesome day, everybody. Cheers, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.